I'm good. I thank you.
Don't take it.
What an entrance.
I don't know how to approach you guys.
So that's how you approach it?
Yeah.
Come here, take a seat. Take a seat.
Wait, this is a dream. Wait.
Oh, no, this is not what I wanted to use.
See you again, guys. Thanks for coming to see us. And what name would you like us to write? Mary. M-A-R-Y? Yeah. K-18. K-18. Yes.
Mary. Oh, bless you.
Sorry, my bad. Thank you so much for everything. See you next time. Yes. Probably I'll confess you.
Okay,
I don't think I'm here in the video, but never.
You have something else to do.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll see. Hopefully another time.
Yes.
Guys, kanina to, isang friend, yung friend ko sa con, like, explain ko, TikTok Jack, yun. Hindi ko lang, di ba ano siya, Korean, it's so okay. Tapos kanina ko, Leo.
Kapoy na cousin ko. Wait. Kakapoy. Kapoy ka naman. Kakapoy, magkapata mo na. Okay. She's waiting, guys. She's waiting. Meet my friend, my new friend. Kim Dokja. Kim Dokja. Yung cosplay niya. Are you okay?
May ginawala pa ka di.
Are you sure? Kasi kalain buot mo sa akin, ha?
I was waiting for you.
Are you sure?
Forever.
Meet your manang. This is your new manang. Manang! Yes, finally nakita naman si Anya. Anya. Ikaw? Pila?
Tapos kumain na lang kami dyan ng pinsan ko kasi gutom na talaga kami dyan. Like super. Ito yung mirror. Room tour. Ito yung bed. Dalawang bed actually. For yung nilagay ko lang isang pillow dun. Study area, TV, kitchen, microwave. Siyempre CR na ginamit ko na kanina. YOU talaga eh. Ala, ayaw mag-zoom. Mag-zoom ka. Yan, YOU. Mirror. Siyempre toilet. Yan lang. Tapos here, yung mo. Pero, ito lang naman. Pinapatuyo ko to. Ito yun na siya. Yung engine cost ko. Shoes. Yan lang. Andito kasi yung maleta ko sa gilid. Dito ko na nilagay para hindi na ako bukas like, kukuha ng Kasi 24 hours lang. At hindi, 12 yung check out namin. Yan. Hi guys, time check. It's around 12 na. And hindi talaga naayos yung wifi ko dito sa India. Ayos na yung aircon. Pero yung wifi hindi. So naka-data lang ako right now. Buti may data ako. Pero look at that view guys. I love the view. You're my best view.
What?
Eme. So, ngayon ako na dito mag-isa. I love it. Sa kabila, yung kanina yung kasama ko kanina sa cos. Napapagod ako. At the same time, I'm so excited para bukas. And pinipilit ko naman talaga matulog dyan. But eventually, nakatulog din. Mga konti lang. Yeah, nag-time-lapse yan. Kasi around 7 is magba-breakfast kami ni Ate May. And also, 10 kasi yung mall. So, yun, magre-ready pa kami and everything. Tapos, check out. Nagising ako sa alarm ko. And it's 4:59 na ng umaga. Ano ba't ako nagpa-alarm? Imagine ako na night. Kinikilaga pa rin ako. Then, gising, open
yung ngiti. Tina. Nice. Kumari, aesthetic lang. Pero cloud chaser pala. Ay, putak pa yan. Ang dumi ng ano na lang, window. Pero ayos lang yan kasi aesthetic tayo. Cloud chaser.
Ano siguro? Morning. Siguro ngayon. Ready na ako. 6 na. Magbabreakfast na ako.
Day 2 ng con. Go na lang po. I'm with my ate right now. Oh, ate! Naging instant ate ko na siya, guys. Malibot na kami samtang hulat pa kami kay Mima. Nabale, matik na kami magkawala dyan ni ate kasi papuntalik nag-ano si Night. Baba siya sa station. Shock ako kasi Sonic. At ako siya with Roxanne, Shoko, Zach. Oh my gosh. Tang ina girl, ang lala ko sumigaw. Tapos yung katabi ko diyang babae, nagreklamo siya agad kasi ang tilig ko daw, Diyos ko. Pero sino naman yun? I'm not gonna lie pero like, ang sarap talaga ni Night. Then, sumunod pa dyan si Shoko po. Ang sarap ni Shoko. Sa Taito, sa Sonic din. Pero hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ng characters pero hindi ko matanda. Okay dyan.
It was very, very nice. I met everyone. Everyone was super sweet. It was super nice to meet everyone. Thank you for having me here.
What was your favorite moment yesterday from the meet and greet?
I received a lot of
Mm.